Today we are making quesitos. This is an iconic Puerto Rican staple, often enjoyed in the mornings with a cup of café con leche. They're similar to a Danish, but in my opinion, much better, made with puff pastry, cream cheese, and a homemade simple syrup. They come together pretty quickly with a few simple ingredients. They will have your house smelling incredible, and your guests will be impressed and happy every time. Let me show you how to make them. So before we do anything else, I recommend taking your puff pastry out of the freezer and thawing according to the package directions. And then we'll make our egg wash. It's just 1 egg, a tablespoon of water, and we're just whisking that together until it is evenly combined and consistent. And then we can just set this aside until we're ready to use it. Then we're grabbing our thawed puff pastry, and we are just going to open this up, remove the paper from the inside, and then gently roll it out. I recommend rolling it out lengthwise, not widthwise, because we still want it to be able to fit on our baking sheet, but we don't want it to be too thick. And then from there, we're going to cut it into 8 equal-sized rectangles. I like to cut it down the center first and then 3 times across. And then we're going to cut our block of cream cheese into 8 equal pieces. I like to use the trick of cutting it in half and then cutting each of those halves in half and then finally cutting each of the quarters in half, just to ensure that they are all equal size, but you use whatever math makes it make sense in your brain. Just make sure you're cutting them, again, lengthwise so that they are long, skinny rectangles. And then we're just going to place these in the center of each of our puff pastry rectangles. And then it is time to start closing up our quesitos. So there's no real secret trick to doing this. It's pretty simple. We're just pulling in each of the opposite corners and folding them on top of each other. Usually if the puff pastry is properly thawed, these will stick together quite easily. But if you're having any trouble, just pinch them together gently at the seam and they should hold. The puff pastry is super forgiving, so you can't really mess this up. Just fold them in and pinch them together if needed. And then it is time for our egg wash that we had prepared. We're just gonna brush each of these puff pastry quesitos with egg wash generously. We wanna make sure all of the exposed puff pastry is brushed. And then we're going to transfer these into our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook them for anywhere from 10 to 15, maybe even 17 minutes, depending on your oven, or until they are puffed up and golden brown all around. Then while that's baking, we're going to make our simple syrup. We're using a combination of corn syrup, sugar, and water. And I know corn syrup is not everyone's favorite ingredient, so feel free to skip it if you're not into it. You can just do sugar and water, equal parts of each. But do keep in mind that the syrup won't have that same super sticky, thick consistency that the corn syrup provides. It'll still be delicious and sweet and work great though. So we're adding all 3 ingredients to a pan over medium heat, whisking to make sure the sugar gets evenly distributed, and then just simmering until the sugar has fully dissolved and a syrup has formed. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it and remove it from the heat when it's done. And around that time, our quesitos should be coming out of the oven as well, which is right about the time when we want to brush them with our simple syrup. So don't be shy here. Give them a generous dousing of that syrup. This is where the quesitos get that signature sweet and sticky flavor that pairs so well with the cream cheese and the puff pastry. You can serve these right away. They are such a treat, fresh out of the oven, when the puff pastry is still warm and flaky and the cheese is melty and gooey. It's an experience everyone deserves to have. Buen provecho!